What's up YouTube, back with another video. It's been about 2 weeks since I've uploaded a video. Reason why is because I'm kind of uploading basically when I have something to record. If I don't have anything to record, then I'm just not gonna force it, you know. But today we have an install video. I just got this package in the mail. I'm gonna open it up and you guys can see what it is. If you have any video suggestions you want me to do, leave them down in the comments. And then before we get started into the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. And then also, I just wanted to say thank you to Joey again for shouting me out on his channel. In the past like 3 or 4 days since he uploaded the video, I'm up about 60 subscribers. And if you're subscribed to the channel because of 4 Eyes, let me know down in the comments below. Really appreciate it. Let's get into the video. So this right here is a G-Track brace. I don't know if I can get that all the way in the frame. So basically what this is, it's like a strut tower brace, but except going above the engine, it's going below. I have a question for the GT350 owners out there. Do you guys get really bad tramlining? Because my car does. Right now, I'm gonna go on the highway, take a video of what it looks like when I'm driving on the highway. I don't know if just the roads where I live are bad or the highway. It's like bumpy. It's literally going like this the whole time, but that's only on the highway. On the streets, you don't really feel much. So basically what this suspension part is supposed to do, it's supposed to connect one side to the other. It's supposed to solidify it, connect it a little bit harder, so whenever one tire dashes to the right, it should be a little bit more controlled because they're connected. So I'm gonna install it today, do it before and after, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on whether this is worth it or not, or if it even fixes the problem. So let's get into that. If there are any owners out there, let me know if you have the same issue when you're on the highway, where it's like literally wobbling back and forth. I forgot to mention, but that last clip was on comfort. So right now I'm gonna put it onto sport, and you're really gonna see a difference. So I'm gonna open this up real quick, and then we're gonna jack up the car. I got it right here in the driveway, and then we should be able to put it on in less than an hour, I'm hoping. The install is just 2 bolts. But you know, when you're working on cars, there's always something wrong always happens. So hopefully we can get a clean sheet and get this on in no time. And then I can take it out and see if this G-Track brace actually helped, and see if the chassis feels stiffer and whatnot. Hopefully we can get that all done before it gets started. So it comes with all the hardware that you need. You're gonna take off the bolts that are already on there. You're gonna replace them with these. Don't know exactly what these are for, but I do know that they go in a little hole that's already existing there, and I think maybe this is what makes it able to screw on. We'll find out what this is for. This is a G-Track brace. Okay, the camera keeps overheating, but we basically got the part on. Literally all we had to do was feed. There's like a little don't know what it's called, but it's like a little circle ring thing that's gone through here. We just fed this bolt up through here with the nut. It's up there. We just hand tightened it, and that's the G-Track brace. Connects right here to you over there. And all we gotta do is torque it down, and then we're good to drive. Alright, the part's officially on. We're just gonna take it down, and then we're gonna take it for a ride on the road to see if it's gonna wiggle anymore. I hope it's not, because it's really annoying. Okay, so we're gonna go take it out for a drive, and I will say this. As far as the tram lighting, I don't think it's gonna completely fix that or even do anything to make a difference. But I think it will help for autocross or any kind of sharp turning and stiffening up the chassis. So we'll see how it goes. So far there's nothing. We have it in comfort right now, then I'll change it into sport.
What exactly does it do?
Huh?
It almost looks like it doesn't really. I feel like it just stiffens up the front. Right?
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys were able to see that on the camera, but the G-Track brace, it helped a tiny bit. It still wiggles on the highway. If you're an owner of a GT350, do you have that problem? And if you do, or if you did, what'd you do to solve it? Because it's honestly really annoying. As far as the little potholes, yeah, I do notice a difference. The car doesn't dart at all. It's just on the highway. I think it might just be the roads here. But basically that's going to be it for the video. If you like this kind of content, install videos, Shelby GT350 videos, hit the like, drop a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. I don't know how realistic that is, but that's the goal. So I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.
I'm Steph Curry, ain't playing this. I don't know what you cost, but I'm paying it. Or options, I'm weighing it. If I'm going